Mulmix is a company that was founded in 1962 as a brand of Officine Facco SPA. Mulmix became an independent reality in 1975, and over the years it has grown exponentially in its sector. We do have mainly three sectors of specialization: construction of grain storage and handling system for both agriculture, industrial and port facilities. Plants for the selection of the seeds of cereals and leguminous, small and medium-sized feed mills. We are present in different parts of the world with agents, branches and operational offices. The most important part of the turnover is determined by the planning and construction of plants for the storage of cereals. Our customers are both private and government, all over the world. We also collaborate with non-profit organizations such as World Food Programme, where we recently built a plant in Djibouti for a storage of 50,000 tons capacity, complete with 5 grain bagging lines for the management of humanitarian emergency in the area of the Horn of Africa. The production is 99% made in Italy, and we are located in the area between Padova and Venice. Mulmix is characterized by a strong experience in engineering and design, both agriculture and industrial plants, that become more and more complex every day. Our keywords that we often use are experience, design, and reliability, which are the fundamental and not obvious elements in our sectors. Certainly in Italy, but also in the other parts of the world, we are the reference in the market of that sector. Recently, the company has invested heavily with the purchase of new modern machinery and the construction of new warehouses. We have created various specialized divisions, the latest being Solo Engineering, a company that designs even very complex port and industrial systems. Currently, we have been commissioned to study port infrastructures in the Middle East. We love to call ourselves a production company for an architectural and industrial design plants.